Hey, what's up, guys? This is Andre, and today it rained, and I recorded something on my phone, well, on my iPhone 6. Yes, 6, and my sound don't work on it. So I kind of did some research online, and it actually says, look what it says. It says headphone. So it thinks it's in like headphone mode, and I tried restarting everything, and I went to NTNT. I went to NTNT and they told me like I need to go to what is it called, the iPhone place, and I don't want to do that. So let's give it a try. Maybe we can move some of these pins, and maybe I'll get start working again. So let's give it a try. Okay, so I'm gonna clean one of the Q-tips, and I don't think I got it wet. I mean, there's nothing. Okay, you know what? Let me just clean it more. And I'm gonna move those Q-tips around. Alright, so it still says, look how dirty this thing was inside. Let me just peel some of this halfway. And let's see if it's gonna work. Maybe one of the pins got stuck in there, and it thinks it's on headphone mode. Okay. Oh, look at this. I think it's fixed. Check this out. You know what? I think I just fixed it. Check this out. If I'm gonna hear a noise, that means it's fixed. Oh my goodness, I just fixed my iPhone. This is so awesome. So this is what happened. I guess one of my pins got stuck in there, and yeah, I fixed it. So what you gotta do is, if your phone, gets stuck in there, or it would say pretty much your headphones are on, that means something's stuck in there. So basically, you move it around, and you get it to work. I'm so excited now. I don't have to like erase everything or go to the iPhone place and get a used phone, because I never dropped this phone. It's like a nice phone, and I feel so good. You don't even know. Okay, so check this out. Watch this. Hey, I guess it works. Anyways, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Goodbye.